You can now add quizzes on YouTube. Hi, Taylor here with Financial Potion, where video is your financial potion. And to never miss out on a video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and then click on the bell to get notified every Friday at 5 p.m. Arizona time that a new video has been posted. So there used to be polls on YouTube cards. They then one day vanished. So you can now add quizzes to your longer form pieces of content in order to hold engagement. So simply click add quizzes. You would then write what the quiz was. How often should you eat fermented foods? Answer 1, daily. Answer 2, weekly. Answer 3, never. And then you would simply select what the actual answer is by clicking on the dots. And then you can provide an explanation. So then that way people can learn more. This is going to help keep viewers engaged. And especially if you're utilizing courses or you're doing something where you really are trying to educate, quizzes can be a fun, interactive way to get people involved and make sure that they are paying attention. So let me know, what do you think of this really, I think, readapted feature from polls to quizzes? I do love that there's the explanation area so you can really learn from the answers that you provide. Is this a tool you're going to be adding to your optimization? Share in the comments. And if you need any help with your YouTube optimization, get started by asking for a complimentary audit. Look for the link in the description.